Flappy the butterfly woke with the sun. Stretching her wings, her day had begun. She fluttered and flapped through skies so blue, exploring the world with wonders to view. She danced by flowers, yellow and red. "Good morning, daisies," Flappy said. She sipped sweet nectar, her favorite treat, and twirled in the air, light on her feet. The birds sang songs, the bees buzzed near. "Hello, dear Flappy," came voices so clear. She waved her wings and joined their tune, flying and twirling beneath the moon. As the sky turned orange, then soft pink and gray, Flappy knew it was the end of her day. She found a soft leaf to rest her head, and dreamed of adventures while snug in her bed. So if you see Flappy, just give a cheer. She's the butterfly, bringing joy and cheer. With colors so bright and a heart so free, Flappy's the friend we all love to see.